Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 1 hour chart of GBPJPY. Yes, today I am not in the 4 hour chart because since morning Japanese yen is weak again. As we all know that JPY was extremely weak last week. As a result, we saw all the Japanese yen pairs were flying. But on Friday, Japanese finance minister stated that they will be having a meeting this week regarding the price hike with the prime minister. So as a result, we saw some kind of correction on Japanese yen. But sadly, Japanese yen is weak again today. So if you have a sell position on JPY pairs, then my dear friend, you must be thinking about a plan B. Or if you continue with your sell position, my dear friend, then you may be in trouble as well. Because see, this is the currency strike meter, and you can see this is the condition of JPY. JPY is the weakest currency as of now, and if the weakness continues on JPY, then all the JPY pairs will be flying today again. So this is the 1 hour chart of GBPJPY, and right now trading at 161.87. This is the current market price. So in this market condition, as I always say, buying at dip is the best trading strategy. Because see, if you take a buy position here, your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. So it is better to wait for some kind of correction. So which are the correction levels? First of all, I would like to talk about the 50 moving average. The 50 moving average, the blue line. You can see the 50 moving average on the 1 hour chart has been acting as a dynamic support for the market. So if market comes down, there is a possibility that market will get the required support from the 50 moving average. And if you see market bouncing from the 50 moving average, if you see a hammer pattern or good price rejection around the 50 moving average, you get the confirmation that 50 moving average is still a valid support for the market, and you can go for a buy. But in case 50 moving average fails to provide the required support to the market, in that case you will find the next retracement level or the next support for GBPJPY around 160 to 160.20. Around this level you will find the next retracement level for GBPJPY. If market comes to this level and bounces, you can go for buy again. So these two are the levels that I'm giving you for today for retracement purpose. But on the other hand, if the bullishness on market continues, then obviously market will not be coming down for retracement. Market nahi aega niche. In that case, observe the market around 162.75. Observe the market around this level 162.70, 162.75 level, because this is a resistance from the weekly chart. But my dear friend, I would like to mention one thing. This may be a very strong resistance level from the weekly chart, but if the weakness on JPY, if the weakness on Japanese yen continues, then obviously market will break the resistance and market will be going up again. So if you have a buy position right now, listen to me carefully. If you have a buy position right now, then you can exit or partially book your profit around 162.75. Okay, you can partially book your profit around 162.75. And if you see that Japanese yen is very weak, the weakness is still continuing, and if you see market breaking 162.75, wait for some time and see how the market is reacting. If you see that market is bullish enough, market breaking resistance, going up, then you can go for a buy as well. You can go for a buy above 162.75. But as the resistance is from the weekly chart, it is better to wait for some time so that you get the confirmation whether the resistance has become the new support or not. Yes, R should be equal to S. okay, then only it is better to look for buy. Otherwise you may see strong price rejection, and that will be very painful. Anyways, keep in touch with the currency strength meter. Okay, you will find many currency strength meters online. I'm using this one, baby pips, because I like the color combination. I'm not promoting anything. Okay, you can also use it. Okay, and as you all know, my dear friends, I have recently launched the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you really want to become a trader, or if you really are looking into trading as a serious profession, then you can try the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. I have started this because when I started my journey, I had no one to teach me. So as a result, okay, I have done or brought few changes. The link is in the description. Hopefully you'll like it. I have also answered few questions also. Okay, so please do check it out. And if you're looking for signals, then I have also launched the world's most cheapest signal service. Do check it out. You will not be disappointed. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.